Alright, so I'm changing yet another sprinkler head. I think this one was also broken whilst I was mowing my lawn. Same process, dig around the sprinkler head and get to the connection get to the connection where it connects to the pipe. When you're done, loosen it by twisting it anti-clockwise. Okay, just twist it anti-clockwise, and once you take it off, water will be coming out of the pipe, and replace it by twisting it back on clockwise. Okay, well, the water is not coming out this time, but you can see the water in the pipe right there. Okay, and just replace it by twisting the new sprinkler head. I'm using the brass nozzle. Just twist it clockwise. There you go, and I'm done. And when you're done, replace the mud and test your sprinkler system, and you should be good to go.